My name is Leila, and First Global Challenge is an American organization that is doing every year a competition on robotics. Teams are united on field of STEM, and every country has a representative of 5 students and 2 mentors.
It's my honor to be a part of team which represent Bosnia and Herzegovina. So I participated in competition which selected me as a part. So it was really interesting and funny way to become a part of this big event.
In Singapore, we expect to represent our schools and our country in best way possible and to show our project and what we worked through the years.
After I finish high school, I'll continue my career in STEM field.
Yes, I see myself as a future IUS student. I would like to choose software engineering or maybe a psychologist.
The first thing that caught my eye are classrooms and labs which are equipped with one of the best equipment in the country. Also, one important thing to note is that mostly students are international, which helps national students to meet new people and to meet new cultures.